This video is an unboxing and review of the Prym Ergonomics Crochet hooks. I bought mine at Wool Winders Yarn Shop. I will list the link in the description below. As you can see, each hook size has its own color. They do come in larger sizes. I just don't have them yet. They do not come in a 5.5 and they do not come in a 6.5. That is the only downside with this brand of crochet hooks. These hooks have an optimized hook and a super smooth shaft to help you glide through the yarn. Their ergonomic design helps reduce fatigue with their comfortable grip and shape. They are made of a high performance synthetic material and they are made in Germany. We are going to be opening the J hook today. It won't come out. Each hook is stamped at the bottom with its size. The rubber grip down here is very similar to an average ergonomic crochet hook. So you have that texture so it doesn't slip out of your hand, but it's not sticky or tacky or anything like that. Let's try it with some yarn here. And it just slides through this yarn nicely. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you check out the Prym Ergonomics crochet hooks for yourself.